Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Continue to foundation course of Arabic curriculum in Gulf countries and for other beginners. And I hope you might have watched part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How to write. How to write. And today we will learn and today we'll start how to read. Okay, how to read. So it is part 7. Okay, so let's begin. First uh, first see short vowel. Okay, so first short vowel, right here, short vowel. Okay, short vowels. So just what is symbol of short vowel? See, there are 3 short vowel in Arabic. Okay, there's 3 short vowel. So first, see here, a cross line above cross line, above letter. So above letter cross line is called fatha. Okay, fatha, fatha, fatha. Sound in English can say a. So I write here a. Okay, fatha, and symbol is cross line above letter and sound is a. Okay, now is suppose is a letter and below cross line, and below letter cross line, it's called kasra, 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 and sound is, I write here I, so you can pronounce this e. So e, so fatha sounds up, razor wise a. Okay, and kasra sounds e. Okay, so put your voice down, e, a, and e. And now third, like a hook, like a small wow, like a hook, it's called damma. So damma, damma, damma. So damma sound is, I write here u, I write here u, so you can say u, a. So I see here, and a, see, spotlight is a. Fatha sounds a, and kasra sounds e, and damma sound u. I wrote here u, and you pronounce u. So a, e, u. Fatha again a, kasra e, and damma u. So fatha, kasra, damma sounds a, e, u. Okay, got it? Done. Now write is all alphabet from beginning, and let's read. Okay, with vowel sign. Okay, so I put here, yes. Okay, I write all alphabet. See, alif, fatha, a, ba fatha, ba, and ta fatha, ta. Okay, and sa fatha, sa, and jim fatha. Now read with me. Read with me, please. Jim fatha, ja. Okay, and ha fatha, ha, and kha fatha, kha. Done. Now next, dal fatha. Oh, I write, I give some space. Okay, dal fatha, da, and zal fatha, za, and ra fatha, ra. Okay, and za fatha, za. Please read with me. Za fatha, za. Okay, now sin fatha, sa, and sheen. Okay, sheen fatha, sha. Okay, and sad fatha, sa, and dad fatha, da, dad fatha, da. Now next, continue. Ta, ta. So sa sha sa da ta. So ta fatha ta, and za fatha za, and ain. Continue. Ain. Ain fatha a from throat. A. A. Ain fatha a. Okay, and ghain. Ghain. Ghain fatha gha, and fa. Fa fatha fa. Qaf. Qaf fatha qa. Okay, and kaf fatha. Kaf fatha ka, and lam fatha la. Okay, continue. Sorry, and mim fatha ma. Okay, and read with me. Mim fatha ma. Okay, noon. Noon fatha na. Okay, wow fatha wa, and ha fatha ha, and last letter ya fatha ya. Okay, and read once. So I, yes, now read once. Alif fatha a, ba fatha ba, ta fatha ta, sa fatha sa, jim fatha ja, ha fatha ha, kha fatha kha, dal fatha da, zal fatha za, ra fatha ra, za fatha za, sin fatha sa, shin fatha sha, sad fatha sa, and dad fatha da, ta fatha ta, za fatha za, ain fatha a, ghain fatha gha, fa fatha fa, qaf fatha qa, and kaf fatha ka, and lam fatha la, and mim fatha ma, and noon fatha na, and waw fatha wa, and ha fatha ha, and ya fatha ya. Done. Now is a change. Now change is color, and now write is uh, yes. See, now write kasra. Kasra. Okay, kasra. Kasra. Okay, so alif kasra, sound, keep sound down. Okay, keep sound down. Alif kasra e, and ba kasra b, and ta kasra t, and sa kasra c, and jim kasra g, ha kasra he, and kha kasra khi, dal kasra di, zal kasra zi, ra kasra ri, and za kasra z, sin kasra si, and shin kasra she, and sad kasra si, and dad kasra di. Okay, read with me. Read with me. Ta kasra ti, za kasra zi, ain kasra i, i, and ghain kasra ghi, fa kasra fi, qa kasra qi, and kaf kasra ki, lam kasra li, and mim kasra mi, and nun kasra ni, and waw kasra we, and ha kasra he, and ya kasra ye. Done. Now dhamma. Dhamma. So dhamma, yes, dhamma. Get this dhamma. Dhamma. Alif dhamma u, and ba dhamma bu, and ta dhamma tu, and sa dhamma su, and jim dhamma ju, and ha dhamma hu, and kha dhamma hu. Interesting. Interesting, right? Interesting. Okay, and dal. Dal. Dal dhamma du, and zal dhamma zu, and ra dhamma ru, and za dhamma zu, and sin dhamma su, and shin dhamma shu. Interesting. Okay, sad dhamma su, and dad dhamma du, and ta dhamma tu, and za dhamma zu, and ain dhamma u, and ghain dhamma gu, and fa dhamma fu. Interesting. Now kaf dhamma ku, and kaf dhamma, very good, and kaf dhamma ku, and lam dhamma lu, and mim damma mu. Interesting. Okay, and noon damma. Okay, noon damma nu, and waw damma wu, and ha damma hu, and ya damma you. Okay, the short vowel first a. Okay, now write, now read together three all. Okay, a e u and fatha kasra damma. Now read together. I choose spotlight. Okay, see, now read alif fatha a, alif kasra i, alif damma u, ba kasra ba, ba fatha ba, ba kasra bi, ba damma bu, and ta kasra ta kasra ti, sorry, ta fatha ta kasra ti, and sa damma su, and sa fatha sa kasra si, and sa damma su, and jim fatha ja, and jim kasra ji, and jim damma ju, and ha fatha ha, and ha kasra hi, and ha damma hu, and kha fatha kha, and kha kasra khi, and kha damma khu, and dal fatha da, and dal kasra di, and dal damma du, and dal fatha zal fatha za, and zal kasra zi, and zal damma zu, and ra fatha ra, ra kasra ri, and ra damma ru, and za fatha za, and za kasra zi, and za damma zu, and sin fatha sa, and sin kasra si, and sin damma su, and shin fatha sha, and shin kasra shi, and shin damma shu, and sad fatha sa, sad kasra si, and sad damma su. Interesting. Okay, now read with me. Dad fatha da, and dad kasra di, and dad damma du, and ta fatha ta kasra ti, and ta damma tu, and za fatha za, and za kasra zi, and za damma zu. Interesting. Ain fatha a, ain kasra i, ain damma u, ghain fatha gha, ghain kasra ghi, ghain damma gu, and fa fatha fa, fa kasra fi, fa damma fu, qaf kasra qa, qaf kasra ki, and qaf damma qu, kaf kasra ka, and kaf kasra ki, and kaf damma ku, and lam fatha la, lam kasra li, lam damma lu, mim fatha ma, mim kasra mi, mim damma mu, and noon fatha na, noon kasra ni, noon damma nu, and waw fatha wa, waw kasra wi, and waw damma bu, and ha fatha ha, ha kasra hi, ha damma hu, and ya kasra ya, sorry, ya fatha ya kasra yi, ya damma yu. Okay, so three short vowel a e u, fatha kasra damma. Now read in flow. So how to read flow? Okay, how to read in flow. Now read in flow. Okay, so no need to spell. So how to read flow? Just follow me. Follow me. A e u. Interesting. Now just follow me and read after me. Okay, repeat after me. A e u, ba bi bu, ta ti tu, sa si su, ja ji ju, ha hi hu, kha khi khu, da di du, za zi zu, ra ri ru, za zi zu. Interesting. Sa si su, sha shi shu, sa si su, da di du. Interesting. Ta ti tu, za zi zu, a i u, gha ghi ghu, fa fi fu, qa qi qu, ka ki ku. Interesting. La li lu, ma mi mu. Repeat after me. Na ni nu, wa wi wu, ha hi hu, ya yi yu. Done. So this is short vowel. Short vowel fatha a, kasra e, damma u. Okay, now read together. Okay, read in flow. A e u, ba bi bu. Okay, I hope you might have understood, right? So everything is clear. This short vowel. Inshallah, in next session, in next class, I so we we can practice. Okay, we can practice with short vowel. Okay, so tomorrow inshallah, tomorrow session inshallah, I will teach you practice with short vowel. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay, we'll see you in next session tomorrow inshallah. So bye, ma'assalama. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Ma'assalama. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.